This is the Earth. It's the only one we've got. But if we continue mining scarce resources at the pace we are today, we will soon need an extra Earth. That is the exact quote of Sharon Dijksma, State Secretary of the Dutch Ministry of Infrastructure and the Environment. Out of all salvaged materials, less than 3% is getting high-grade reuse within the building and construction industry right now. So when you're talking about a circular economy, we're not doing that well at all. Our mission is to go from 3% to 100% high-grade reuse. Yes, indeed, 100%. How, you may ask? Let us explain. Existing real estate will be analyzed and the materials will be inventoried and digitally registered. Some of the characteristics are quantity, quality, dimensions, supplier, or color, and so on. We created a database that stores all information about the inventoried materials. The database is currently filled with more than 800,000 registrations. Our vision is to achieve the highest level of recycling, which reflects back to the top steps of Lansing's ladder. To reuse and upscale the reclaimed materials, we look for opportunities within existing markets. But besides those, we look for alternative possibilities in new markets. To determine the value of the materials that will be reclaimed, we look for regional organizations who will use the materials in their production process or new design. These organizations will sign a contract when an agreement has been reached. Due to the information we gathered, the material prices and therefore the residual value of the existing materials in current real estate will rise. Circular deconstruction can start. In the context of practice what you preach, we are currently starting with the construction of the first resource house. The resource house already accounts for a large percentage of its mass out of reclaimed materials, and thereby closing the loop.